It's done. Don't know what's up with the noises. But yeah, hello everyone, who is nothing, literally. Okay. Yeah, I mean we're back. We are back to pong. We really need things developing here. Yeah, I mean, I don't even try. Things develop. Okay, was yeah, did I really? Why did it added some inputs? Huh? Didn't I do this before? I don't remember. I mean, main Haskell. So yeah, we have some things. I kind of want to refactor some of this. Maybe I could even make for like a type class. I mean, I don't think there's a point in that any point, but I didn't use the type class for the whole thing. So I didn't learn Haskell, so I didn't do the main goal of this challenge. I guess Pong the game doesn't really go along with this, but yeah, like making a game doesn't really touch the parts of the language I want to learn. Anyway, this is gonna take a while. Using Raylib configuration phase. Wow. What do I have in my fleet? I have GHC Wasm and don't even use it anywhere. She's the cringe part. My god, next makes the whole system so slow. Come on. Okay, stop. I'm gonna do anything. Which really wasn't. I mean H Raylib. H dash Raylib, fine. Haskell, come on. And it doesn't have WASM. Web, I mean, sure. Web support has not been finalized yet. But I mean, it's here. It's there. Can I cable build for Windows? Let's cross compiler, cross compile. Just compiling Haskell code to the RPy4. One of the things that makes Rust developers celebrate their language ecosystem is cargo. Yeah. use nix. Haskell. I hate Haskell.nix. I literally hate Haskell.nix. And why didn't I get? Oh, I mean, yeah. I have a stream to YouTube. I have a stream to Twitch. Why didn't I get a notification yet? Or did I? Wait, I did. I think. Oh yeah. Custom Haskell links branch. Heavily patched HC. Best bet. I mean, I have Nix. I'm obviously on a Nix OS system. I mean, how to cross compile? I am not doing a Windows VM. Windows VM is garbage. I don't think it's gonna even boot, especially on stream. I mean, why is template metaprogramming so hard? Like for Rust, there's no problem. For example. And it has its proc macros. Okay. Anyway. Maybe just, I guess, delete wait, this and yeah, that's it. And hope it opens the next shell. Oh, also this. Come on, just give me a shell. You already evaluated this. Come on, why does it have to rebuild? Oh, never mind. I don't like the cursor being here for some reason. Building time. Next building time. Which obviously lost my system for a whole 100%. By the way, I don't have much people in here. Yeah, right now there's not much people in the chat, so I can't really ask. But I would like to ask what I should do with the overlay. Obviously, I don't want to leave Twitcher. I don't want to leave Twitcher because it doesn't really support multiple accounts basically. So I need access from multiple accounts. So the choice is being rewrite Twitcher or use another library. Which is this another library will probably be event sub library Rust version, the Rust library by Alkaline. So yeah, I wanna improve the overlay soon. And while it's building, hopefully it's not gonna be too demanding on the CPU. I kinda wanna get a few basketball shots. Which doesn't work, I guess, for the reason of CPU intense. It's just Nix. Nix is always a problem. Good overlay. Good overlay. Oh, come on, I hate this. It's stuck. It is stuck. Released it. Got it out. Now please don't get stuck. Just count. Oh, bad cop, hi. Hi, bad cop. Lasers just automatically. Overlay working. Is working. Oh, wait. Okay, so I did I've changed one line and I did mess up alerts already. Hi, Nigel. How is this even possible? Давнение. Okay, well, I wanna finish the game and fix the alerts. Давнение again. The plan for today is get back into Nix Shell, because yeah, we did some WASM experiments at the end of the last stream, so we want to get back into Nix Shell and I guess finish the Pong game. Maybe compile it either to WASM or to at least to Windows, which is difficult. GitHub plushie. There are like 4 GitHub plushes. The GitHub one, the Git one. What? Yeah, so the GitHub one, the Git one. Ooh, bad request. I guess that's a problem. Okay, that was the problem, not my mess up of alerts. So yeah, there is Git. Let's do all of them. And it wants me to log in as a broadcaster, I guess. Well, actually, this is as a bot. This is gonna mess up. Messed up. Wait, no, it's not. Okay, sure. So there is Git, GitHub, Git lab. I think, yeah, Git Kraken and GitHub desktop. What? Hold on, I don't have GitHub desktop. What? I should. Git. Okay, I guess I don't. Really? Yeah. Good. Oh. we're here. Come on, I've used it for like quite a bit. Yeah, I wanna test. I wanna test alerts in case they work. No. I've changed one line. I've moved one line. Well, okay, not one line, a little bit more. Why is this dark? Come on. So I've changed like one line. By the way, I've got bits. And now it's messed up. I took a workshop at college for your juniors on GitHub. Was forced to use GitHub desktop. That's sad. Nobody should force anybody to use a particular function, well, not functionality, particular software. So I wanted to test 20% raised. Not bad, considering that you, well, not considering that you have only 10 days left. I'm actually gonna be impressed if you actually get it in time, but I'm sure you're not gonna. Okay, let's hydrate. It works. Okay, so it was just a subscribing issue. Miss time out on sockets, and now event sub just doesn't work. That's why I want to rewrite it. Then we asked everyone to install either GitHub desktop or Git CLI, and 0 of 8 students install Git CLI. I mean, yeah, this makes sense, but that's sad. I mean, GitHub desktop is not that bad, honestly. I've used it before. It's not as nearly as flexible as stuff like Git Kraken or, well, Git CLI. Well, it is probably as flexible as Git CLI, but not as, well, I can't say it's not as friendly. Ooh, we need to improve our bot, our AI in here. By bot I mean this pong AI, because it's so bad at getting shots. It's not as flexible as Git CLI. Well, it is. It actually has a lot of stuff in it. Okay, it's not as flexible as Git CLI, and oh my god, I lost a shot. But still, it is pretty good. Oh, come on, why am I so bad at this? Okay, I need to get the starting velocity not as high. Oh my god, I'm so bad. Why? Okay, so this you can outplay the opponent. Hold on. You can outplay the opponent if you get the ball to maximum velocity. Can it let you check the diff on a file between two commits ago and okay, fine. I mean, Git Kraken is awesome. Is an awesome graphical Git client. Git CLI is obviously the main thing you're probably gonna be using. Also, GitHub CLI is useful to authorize Git CLI and to create repositories in GitHub. That's what I'm using, 3 main tools. GitHub desktop is nice to newbies. To people who are new. By the way, we're still using Helix. Should I bring back the editor change redeem? Okay, so I wanted to just quickly change do some balancing for the AI and for the player. So where's randomization? Okay, here's randomization of ball direction. Okay, so this is floating point. Okay, so this is, how can I make it from get random? Okay, let's actually get random, maybe get random. Really get random number. It takes a range. Maybe I should use this range. Maybe it allows negative. Get random value from negative to positive. Okay, I could actually use that. Honestly, it's, actually here. I don't understand why I did it from 0 to 1. Oh, I know why. Well, it makes sense. But now I'm gonna change it so it's more analog. Like I did it so I only have two variants, two possibilities. Well, then I should do something like 128 and 128 and then divided by 128 and multiplied by 0.8. That's what I'm gonna do. It's like, yeah. Okay, so now this should be working. What's wrong? Couldn't match expected type with actual type, huh? Oh, obviously negation. I forgot about this. We did we forget that we hate negative numbers here in Haskell? Like I actually don't know. Well, maybe, I mean, kind of makes sense. I remember, but still. Okay, so now first shot should be like all the time by the opponent. It should be possible to. Okay, so opponents should always be able to get the next shot. Oh, I also have horizontally randomness, so the ball can get stuck in the middle of the screen. You rejected a Rust job today because they were paying very less. Is this actually a valid sentence? I mean, I'm sorry, but actually, I would say not much or something. Okay, so from this, for this I will actually want to keep 0 and 1, multiply this by 2 and subtract 1. Yeah, reject the Rust job. How can you reject the Rust job? That's so rare. I mean, sure, it's fine. Okay, this should be much more fun now. How is it? How is it so bouncy? Did I accidentally make it even more powerful? Huh? Oh wait, I'm dumb. Why? Why? dx and dy. It should be dx that's getting. Okay, let me just swap this. 100% of cost for living. Wow. Wow, I don't know how it got the shot. Thumb balancing. So I want to add an ability to capture the ball, and also the opponent is way too strong. It's just pretty much impossible to get it outplayed. Maybe I should like add more to the ball. Hey, it's so hard. Hey, I'm like actually punching it as hard as I can, and this game is actually really hard. Also, I wanted to add like make this game a little harder. I don't know. It's just smart. It's just a computer. That's it. So I wanted to make a progression. Oh, come on, I missed a shot. I mean, this was a hard shot because I need to add a speed to a ball when it's going straight. Here, for example. Okay, I actually did it. Oh my god. It's just so okay. You want a secret? It is a regular Pong opponent which is tracking the ball's Y. which means tracking the ball's y means that it's vertical movement, vertical velocity. Let's say y well, or what do you have it? P2y, P2v is P2x, wait, P2y and pole y. Yeah, so this is its vertical velocity, and what I am doing here, I'm instead so I have this delta. This is basically the difference. I clamp it, and then I also use it for accelerations. So I have accelerations on top of it. So it has to accelerate, and it looks kind of weird. But yeah, so I need to make, so when it hits the paddle here, velocity I multiply it by, maybe I should keep the paddles. This is gonna go crazy. It's just gonna go insane because I've removed the division also. Oh my god, the Sarah was here for so long. Also. Oh my god. So I had when the ball collided with the second paddle, I took the speed of the first paddle for it. Oh my god, that's so bad. Oh my god, this is so hard. This is gonna be so hard. Because this thing moves so fast. Oh my god. You can... Oh, I don't have a Git repo. I should publish it at least on GitHub. Oh my god. Yeah, I shouldn't have done that. Okay, let's undo. Fix this again. Fix this. Okay, so let's multiply it by like what, ball speed? Well, yeah, ball speed. Let's do. Do I already have a ball speed constant? Maybe. Okay, do let ball wise. What's it? Ball. Well, not friction. Paddle ball moment transfer. No, well, not momentum, velocity. CT. Okay. Which is gonna be, let me just copy this value real quick, and I need it to be very small. So I have velocity for this. Okay, so it's delta time. The ball is delta time, right? Where's the ball motion? Ball here. Yeah, it is multiplied by ball speed, which is multiplied by delta time. Oh my god, I forgot about ball speed. Okay, so I just put something about like 1.4 in here. Paddle. Let's see if I typed it correctly. Ball velocity transfer. Yank set. Could have actually used. Wait. I guess I could have used Shift C in here to go like here. It's actually a nice way of moving. And what? A parenthesis. Accidentally copied an extra parenthesis. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, it's hard. Look, it's hard. It's more than just getting the ball. It's also getting it into the opponent's. The opponent can't hit it. This, for example. It's okay. It did fly to the very edge, which is bad in terms of like playing against this AI. Oh my god. Because like it can just stop at the edge. It's much easier for it to control. I think that's a pretty good shot, but it still managed to get it. I don't want to make AI slower than a player, because right now its speed is claimed by the player's speed. Player's max speed. Okay, it starts like resonating at this speed. That's kind of cool. But it's impossible. It's like actually impossible to get to win against this AI. I don't understand. It starts like its velocity starts like how do you call it? It's like goes up and so it speeds up and slows down. When it starts doing that, it's pretty much impossible for some reason for it to miss the ball. Okay, I guess I just have to make it weaker than the player, because player can't be a computer. And player doesn't have as much control also, by the way, which is important. Paddle AI speed, let's say. Let's just do... Wait, small speed. Let's make this... First of all, make this... I should probably use T more often. T and F, such useful shortcuts. So I wanted to do something like this. 0.7 might be a little too low. I don't actually know if it accelerates past the limit. It shouldn't be able to accelerate past the limit. The limit is like pretty big. And did it just miss a ball? A starting ball. Also, it's tracking it with... Oh my god, he still didn't fix it, really? Where's the tracking? Paddle size over... Why? Paddle size over 1, it should be 2. Come on. That's actually like embarrassing. I'm dividing it by 1. I was meant to divide it by 2, like, because it's the center. Okay, now it's gonna be even much more powerful. You can't... Wait, you can outplay it. Okay. Maybe all the attempts before were just possible, but problem being that the problem being AI. Oh my god. Yeah, problem being me targeting the way where AI has like offset. Oh my god, it also almost missed this shot. Okay. Yeah, I'm not even considering acceleration. Honestly, using this AI, I could just calculate the ideal next position of the ball, where it's gonna cross this line and move there. Yay! I did it! So, okay, so I need 2 versions of AI. I want 2 versions of AI, and I feel like this one's thicker. That's unfair. Or is it just me going insane? Okay, that's actually kind of fun to play, but I'm so bad at it. I'm so bad at it. There are some shots that are pretty much impossible. And what did I just do here? Why am I playing this? I was meant to be making this game and not playing it. I mean, that's a good sign that I'm playtesting it a lot. And oh my god. So embarrassing. I'm never gonna be a tennis player. It's hard. Like, I need velocity. I need to have high velocity when when the ball gets to me, which is hard. Here I got it. Yay! Like, that's the only way I can get around my opponent. Yeah. Ooh. It got this. What? How? How did it get this shot? That's just unfair. And oh my god, Oh my god, I'm losing this so badly. Is somebody keeping track of the score? Stream title is not clickbait, by the way. I'm really playing Pong with Haskell itself. Oh my god, I flew past it. I feel like the speed is a little too high. Because I'm often overshooting. Like, I mean, myself, as a player. I assume the paddle isn't gonna move so fast. I mean, this kind of acceleration's too high. Should I add the squish effect to the ball? Is it even possible? Oh my god. Oh my god, come on. Also, should I add sound effects? Should I even bother with that? I kinda wanna make a finished Pong game. Out of points. I mean, what can I do about it? I can't really impact how many points you get, except that I can reject all the redeems. I haven't accepted them in a long while. Which is kind of unfair. I might reject some though. I might like click on the goal and say reject all after it's been done. It's not out of question. Still, I can still make it longer. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so... Oh my god, come on! I'm actually overshooting, that's like... Why? Come on! Come on! Come on! That's just like... Okay, stop. Oh my god. Come on. Okay, I'm not gonna bother doing the score right now. Because it's too fun to play the game. I wanna make it more fun. I wanna refactor it all first, I guess. Also, once we get to more... What? Play better than home. Come on, no. I mean, maybe... Well, actually... so I also wanted to make paddles like smaller. Oh, come on! I'm so bad at... How can I be so bad at the game I made? Come on. Should I add break? Should I add space for a break? I think this might be fun. Oh, come on. They are really accelerated. And that's the whole point of the game. Maybe I'm just... I don't know how to call me. Maybe I'm just crazy and I like weird controls. Especially like GC3. Did you see Cumin play Garbage Collector 3? He immediately said that controls are weird. Because they are accelerated. And you can't change the accelerations in the air. And I like that so much. Gradually, it's gonna get impossible. Okay, let's make it... let's make acceleration... So, to make it even worse... Okay, we might ask him once more at some point. Anyway, so this is acceleration much bigger. I don't think it's possible to really play the game. Well, it is actually. Oh my god. That's hard. The AI is still doing really well. I'm gonna skip probably all the balls. Oh, come on. Well, actually, it didn't change that much, probably. I'm getting better in this game. Oh, this was all acceleration's fault. I couldn't accelerate in time. Like, the point of me playing here is not just to get the ball. Getting the ball is easy. I need to accelerate it as much so the opponent can't get to it, basically. I'm getting actually better in this. Why did they say that? To run first you have to learn how to walk properly. Okay, let's bring this back to 0.05. So I wanted to kind of refactor it. I don't know, should I use Haskell modules? I don't know. I have this like 4 pragmas already, including the remove warning. I don't think really I really need modules in here. I kind of want to abstract the AI out though, so you can have multiple different AI algorithms. Okay, so let me create a function, I guess. Simple AI. Is this an acceptable name for a function, Haskell? Okay, so simple AI is a function. I guess an IO monad. Or is it an IO monad? Hold on. So this is a function, I guess, that takes. What should it take? It should take like the whole thing. By the whole thing I mean ball's position, X and Y, width and height of the screen. So 2 vectors already. And ball's velocity. And a lot of other stuff. Yeah, right now it's just... Oh, also size and stuff. How do I make constants? I mean, I guess it's just obvious. How do I name constants? So, should I use upper snake case? Or should I do camel case for constants? What's the convention here in Haskell? Oh wait, those are not constants. Yeah, that's a problem. I mean, I can just write it all in a single function inside of a function. I have this. Can I let a function? Let me put it here. I don't know if I really need it. I actually don't know. Okay, let's I guess. So Haskell has data types natively. Let's make an enum. Oh, well, when I say native, I mean like enums are simple. So we say AI equals simple master and expert. I don't know. What do you think is better? Is like which AI would you think is harder, master or expert? I don't know. Yeah, difficulty. Expert is harder, you say. I agree. Why? Why? Okay, let's Google it. Master versus expert. While experts excel in specific areas and provide exceptional service, masters possess a broader understanding are divine. Experts become masters, really? Okay, so let's do it. let's do it simple, complex, and more complex. And um, let's say pred or crazy. That's better. Okay, how do I forgot everything. Learn US Haskell. I wanna see how you derive stuff. I mean no predictor prediction. This is what it's gonna be basically, and that's like that's inside information. Normal players should never know about why unless they like dig into history of making this game. And I mean, I'm not making this as a game, really. Okay, so type parameters, where it derives? And I mean, I saw human deriving it, but okay, yeah, it's just deriving show. Let me deriving show actually. What? Why? Is it actually on GitHub? I don't remember. I wanna put it on GitHub. Okay, not a Git repository. JH repo Git init JH repo create push existing here on hold on quit push existing here Haskell pong. Yeah, a simple pong game written in Haskell. No, I'm not gonna put it on TextElver. It doesn't have like it doesn't have any point of being in TextElver. That's just like my project, which I mean it's open source just for the purposes of anyone struggling with getting Haskell with Raylib. Honestly, or anyone wants who wants to play this. Okay, so origin. No, well, not yet at least. Belong, like, should it be? Maybe, but I mean, Orco isn't yet released, so no point in that. We'll see. Time will show. I think actually Orco deserves its own GitHub organization. Like, because it's gonna be not one repository. It's not gonna be one repository. Orco is just a monolithic repository which has Orco itself, some Orco tools, base Orco tools, but we also need language frontends and platform backends, which are probably gonna be each one a separate repository. Well, right now LLVM, oh wait, no, Crane Lift backend is in the monolithic repository. Anyway, so I wanted to open readme. Is there readme? No, there's no readme. Touch readme. So this is pong in Haskell. Simple yet fun pong game in Haskell. Learning purposes. So can be used as an example project for hrlib with Nix. Git add, git commit. We are on GitHub. Wow. I should probably not push stack work or something. Hold on, I need git ignore. Git ignore. Haskell stack. I'm not using stack. Hold on, why is it stack? Okay, need Haskell git ignore, not stack. I'm just gonna copy that. Okay, stack work is here. Fine. Let's end Vim. Git ignore here. So git amend. Can I don't remember. Oh wait. What? Huh? Oh wait. Commit dash dash amend. Never mind. Git commit dash. Trigger warning. What do you mean trigger warning? Oh wait, did I say two M's again? Okay, now push. Setup stream. New jump scare. Let's go play Garbage Collector 1, which has a jump scare. Okay. GitHub, me, Haskell. Why does it have stack work? Come on. Git rm stack work. Oh, it's recursive. I think that's what I was supposed to do. Git push. Git commit dash remove stack work. Push. Okay, so what does it have? It has app and dist new style. Oh, I also should probably remove dist. And that's it. Everything else should be here. Git rm dash r dist. Dist new style push. Why am I using cat when there's bat? Do we have? Yeah, we have this stuff. Now let's, I guess, actually get the AI working. So let's add AI type, AI kind. I don't get why Haskell is so hates trailing commas so much. AI dot. Wait, it's not. Like, can I make this scoped? Haskell make data type constructors scoped. I don't like the scope pollution. Or what is it called? Well, why am I sending data type? You know why Haskell hates trailing commas? Why? I wanna know. Or do I want to know, Nigel? T com. Okay, I see. I mean... Okay, so this means we can define a comma that takes a single argument on the left and is a post... Can we do that? Can we do that? I mean, like in records, it's fine to have like trailing comma everywhere except record syntax. For me. At least. I don't know if it's possible. Okay, so AI simple. Do you know how to, if I can like make those scoped so I don't, so I have to write not simple but AI.simple or something like this. Except defining a module. Defining a module doesn't count. Oh, ad breaks coming. Should we do something during ad breaks? And also, when there will be more people in chat, I'm gonna post I am gonna post a poll. If there is gonna be more people in chat. I already know more about Haskell than you. How? How did it happen? I just read Google and made this project. I mean, making learning languages while making projects, especially if it's not first language, is so good. Such a good way. Well, I don't know about the first language. Maybe actually learning first languages projects is better than second, third, etc. Anyway, so state. So I have AI. Simple. Let's add AI in here. Let's put AI in here. So now I wanna draw it honestly. Draw text. Oh, by the way, so this thing, this exists. Now I can just link it here. In case you wanna try this. hrayLib draw text. Where's hrayLib on Hackage? Do you remember about the goal? We need it to be done. You don't use Nix. You would have trying to make this run. No, without Nix is pretty easy. You just cable install hrayLib and that's it. So on any Linux you just do whatever. An example for Debian obviously. So the apt get install hrayLib and then sudo, well not sudo, just cable install hrayLib. Well, you don't even need that, I guess. It should do it by itself. Well, actually, maybe you do, I don't know. It's just a Haskell package. Oh, ads are running. I mean, what can I do about ads? What can I do during the ad? During the ad break? Really core text. Don't want a custom font, honestly. Draw text, string int color io. Actually, show AI. Come on. String. So I guess this is like 20, 60. Should I write a line it? Draw text ex, draw text pro. Wow. Measure text. That's what I need. String int. Easy. String and int. Also need to measure it. X will be width subtract measure text show AI 10, I guess. Font size being 10. That's X, Y is gonna be 10, no 20, 10, and color white. I don't care, just random stuff. This should even compile and run. Should it? I think should. Cable, where's cable? Cable run. Cable run, please. Add is done, yay. Width subtract int. Yeah, I need I widths in here. And what's this? Oh, IO int. Oh no. Okay, fine. Expected type is actual type. What? Oh wait, I didn't provide the font size. Okay, so we have simple here, which is too small, but who cares? Also, I should probably add a padding in here. Do you think 60 FPS should be at 20 or 10? I think it should be 10. And also then I put this as 10. Then I do font let font size. Why am I doing this case? Let's do height. height. Oh wait, I need to. How do I cast from into an int round? Round. $sign. I can use this nice operator. I actually kind of like those operators. At the same time, they're so redundant. I mean 16. Font size here, font size here, and also subtract 10 as a padding. Don't care padding being non-scaling. Okay, simple. Okay, so this is the AI type right now. So we add a break here. Okay, so I wanna try to add a break first. Yes, I wanna try to add a break first. So this is gonna be where is it? Up, down, break, key space, I think it is. It's from in okay, so this number should be multiplied by this. So when break is true, this thing is 1. So this thing is okay. Seems right. Seems about right. So it should be able to break now. I mean, break is only like, okay, no, break is actually, this is not how you do break, actually. And also I should have just put a $sign here from the start. Okay, so how do we do break? If break let p1v equals, or not let, actually, 1v equals return dollar sign. If break, then p1v multiplied by 0.5, else p1v something like that. Well, actually not like just multiplied. So I need to multiply it by something like paddle acceleration blend, which is basically this. I guess power operator has a precedence. You can feel how it slows down, but not nearly enough. Is it actually, does it actually help? No, you can play this game with two hands. I don't know, I think it doesn't help. Well, actually, okay, let's play a bit for a bit, for like actually a bit. This definitely messes up my ability to accelerate the ball to high speeds, and I didn't use brake there, which is kind of sad, but at the same time I can get the ball more times, which I guess is good. Okay, didn't use brake there. No. Can I even get the ball now? I mean, by get it, I mean get it fast enough to destroy this AI. Come on! Okay, so I should have used breaker apparently. Okay, I should release it. It's hard. I mean, not like hard. It's just you need to keep in mind that you have a break. You should press it sometimes, and you should release it sometimes. Okay, I think. Okay, I don't think break is here. And I don't think it really does something. It really, I don't think it's important. So, well, not important. I don't think it belongs here. That's what I should have said from the start. Okay, so let's implement some AI things. Okay, so I want number one key to toggle AIs. AI do toggle is key down key 1 if toggle return dollar sign for some reason. I don't know why actually. Well, actually, I don't think I need a dollar sign in here, honestly. So if toggle, then well, not toggle. Next if is key pressed, and I forgot Haskell enumerable next. Forgot the function name. So it's suck basically. SUCC. So if next, then if, okay, let's do then if should actually do this. A q a enum a bounded a. I don't need a q in here, or do I? Yeah, I do. A q enum bounded and show. And that's what I want, I guess. So here, then if next. Wait, not next. So this is. I remember this being like switch case. Is this an operator? I think it's a function thingy. Haskell match operator. Case expressions. That's it. So this is a function. This is for function definition. I want it as an expression. There's the case. Case of something arrow something. And it obviously has. Well, this is pattern machine. Then case. Well, actually, I can just do if AI is max bound, and I'm gonna do min bound. Otherwise, successor to AI. Or not otherwise, but else. So here I do then. Here I do else AI. Is it gonna work? I don't know. I feel like, okay, it doesn't compile. I guess it's parentheses. So I should probably do this. Let's try putting a $sign actually in here. Key 1. Array lib key 1. Keyboard input. I don't remember how the key is named. Well, I don't know actually. Not that I don't remember, I don't know. Okay, let's look here. Look it up here. Array lib type ct. I guess types core. Oh, it's called this way. It's named Q1, like that. It's kind of weird, honestly. I think it's fine. Is key pressed? Oh, I don't have it edit. Let's edit. Oh, where is it? Is key down? Is key pressed? Okay, so this should be. Okay, it works. Nice. I can switch the AI mode, but it doesn't do anything yet. Yeah, I'm actually going past what I was going to do, honestly. But I kind of want to do this. So what I want to do here is predict where the ball is gonna go. So you have options in Haskell or something. right? Haskell option. They're optional. Data.option. None and sum of a. Pretty simple, right? Pretty easy. So let's do ball cross y is if ball speed, or actually what is it? Is it ball speed? Still ball speed, I don't think it's ball speed. Where's ball here? It is a boulder. So vector to x boulder is greater than 0, then else I'm gonna do none. Okay, let's do it like that. So here, what I can't tab. I mean, I don't need to tab. I don't know why I did it, but why I can't? So I need balls. So I need to calculate the difference basically between the right side of the ball and the left side of the paddle. X coordinates obviously. Then do something where block, or I could actually do let in, then let what is it, x distance is, okay, so where's the paddles left, to y with subtract, so ball, add ball radius, so this is a ball x, this is a paddle x basically. Then this bx equals this, px equals this, x distance is px, subtract bx in indentation. Oh, I remember this indentation was crazy. So in ball, well, not ball. So I have x distance. Let me do py is p2y plus actually minus for some reason. Why is this minus? Oh wait, because it's okay, it's actually plus. Delete that. So we have px py in, wait, why do I need, I don't need py. So I have x distance. I need to multiply the ball speed by x distance and do all the reflections, which I don't know how to do. Can I simulate it in Desmos quickly? I don't think I can. So do I have anything to draw in Inkscape? Actually a sprite. I don't know if anyone's still watching, if Nigel's still here. But anyway, so we have our, this is our ping pong field, a place where we play, I guess, the table. So here is the ball, say it's here, and here we are, by we I mean the AI, which is playing against us actually, or for me. It's playing for me, it's playing against anyone who's gonna play a game, which is only me. Anyway, so let me make this half transparent and actually use proper tools. So here, this is the line of intersection, and imagine ball is going this way, or something like this. So it will bounce off twice here, and it's gonna intersect at this point. Let's take red and mark it with a cross. I'm bad at drawing crosses. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so bad at drawing crosses. So how do we calculate this? I have this distance. Basically, well, actually, I have the distance from H to H. And it should be really from the edge. Doesn't really matter though. So this, I have Y here. Let me take another color. So this is. Oh, we're here. Nice. I see the latency is really big. I can. It's probably this. Anyway, so we have Y. So if we just add, we're gonna end up somewhere deep. Well, actually, let me expand the canvas by 3, like that. So if I just copy, copy this. Oh, okay. So if we actually imagine it going past, so if we take a division reminder, well, I mean, I don't know. Like here, division reminder is just gonna work, but in case we did, what is it, odd number of reflections of the wall, it's not. And I wanna figure out if it's just enough to flip it. I think it. I think it is. Yeah, I think it is. So let's just get. I'm already imagining how Haskell compiler is gonna yell at me for this let in. So let's do BCY is ball. Wait. Vector to y ball. Here I need vector to y. Wait, vector to x ball. And I actually need vector to y for this. It's gonna be y. So I need to add actually I also need this value, honestly. Well, okay, we're gonna use it anyway. X distance. So we divide it by this, and we multiply it by the way, which should be in parentheses. So we multiply it by ball directions y, basically y velocity. So this is not up to scale really. Well, actually it is. So I have positions in pixels. I have this in imaginary units. Doesn't really matter. So because we're using a well, we're dividing by it and multiplying by it, so it doesn't really matter. So this is what. Let's replace it by I. A ball intersection y. Intersection y. Let's name it properly. So this is not just not really intersection y. So this fail. We need to if this divided by, so from integer, well, I don't need from integral, it's floating already, floating point. So if it is divided by height, and I need to round, Haskell is odd. Is this like built-in? And GHCI odd 1.1. Can I do this? Okay, nope. Odd 1, no. Okay, so round. If we round this and then apply odd to it, then I can do. So if it's odd, then we flip it. Scale f mod. Mod with a stinging. Mod is use mod perhaps. Okay, fine. No. From data fixed, import data fixed. Data fixed. Fixed mod this. Okay, so I need to. Can I just data fixed mod this 1.1 1.0. Okay, I can okay, so I actually need this screen space all intersection y. Don't ask me why I started to use long names all of a sudden. Space all intersection y. So this is so here we just do height minus, and here we do just this. Okay, is compiler gonna yell at me? Compiler is gonna yell at me. Normal uname data fixed is imported. Import data fixed. Okay. Okay. Oh, I need to wrap this in sum first. So, where is it? Then sum dollar. What do you mean sum is not in scope? Okay, fine, Nigel, bye. Data constructor not in scope, sum none. What? Is that optionals are built in? And I can use more random numbers here. -1, for example. Odd.round. Okay. Variable not in scope existence. What do you mean? Oh, DST ends. I mean, it didn't complain about this, so why would that's why. Anyway. Odd round. Expected type bool with actual type A0 to bool possible costs applies. This is applied to few arguments. Then person. So we have odd of round of. I mean, I could just use dollar sign here. Still. And it worked for some reason. Okay. Und default type specify type colon. What is it? So this operator should be past the dollar sign, so it should be theoretically. No, it doesn't work. Fine. We're gonna rub this in parentheses then, if you want. Okay, now I wanna visualize this. Well, by what a better way of visualizing it well, except just setting position to it. Ball cross Y. Couldn't word it properly. Not used, I don't care. Okay, it's like it knows, but oh my god, it doesn't work, sadly. Huh? It goes up sometimes. So normally the number of reflection is 0. Let's debug this. Also, because the compiler didn't yell at me for let in for some reason. So here, the number of ball intersections y. So this should be less than height. So this rounded should be 0 also. So if this, oh my god, if this goes negative, oh my god. How do I do this? If this goes negative, what's the formula? It's a formula. Oh, sorry, hit the microphone. So we mod the ball intersection y with height, and let's just return the screen space. Okay. That's off. Why is it going up as the ball is going to the left? Okay, I'm checking if boulder is x of boulder is greater than 0. It should be right. If then else. Okay, maybe. Okay, let's just run it for now. Put indentation. Okay, Okay, how did I break the indentation again? Huh? Didn't save, I guess. Okay, so this is -1. To the right it flew down. Go to the left again. Okay, now if it goes to the left, the thing moves for some reason. That's weird. Okay, so pulse intersection. Pulse y at x distance divided by the x direction multiplied by the y direction. Huh, that's weird. Weird that it doesn't work. In do. Can I do? Do return print print intersection y. It should tell me a lot about the problem if I can get it running. The statement or do block what? So this I guess is a monad. Yes, it became a monad. Ball cross y is ball cross y. This is the weirdest expression I've ever written. Okay, it doesn't make any sense. Else pure. Let's purify this boy. Well, actually, I could just use $sign here. Okay, so what's it gonna give me? 280 or something. Okay, so now it doesn't output anything. Why is it going up when this thing is negative? Oh, it's P to V. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Let's undo this. Which is a bad idea, probably. Okay, so this should wait, no. So this should actually be ball cross y. Okay, so it knows exactly where the ball is gonna be. Nope, it doesn't. Well, it kind of works. If only I can get the ball to fly the right direction. It kind of works, but so bad. It's like off by a little. So why is it at the top? Guess the amount. Well, when it's going up, I need to consider that when it's going up, it's off. It's probably miscalculated. Here it is kind of close. Oh, hold on. So ball intersection. I'm saying ball cross. I should actually be okay. So first of all, let me do this. Ball cross y. P to y. P to v. So actually, what I should be doing here is I need what do I need? I need to subtract this over 2. Not that much subtraction. Okay, so now it should be better, but still it's off for verticals, some verticals at least. Okay, so here it should be pretty much perfect. Oh my god, why did it jump? Last moment it jumped somewhere, I don't know where, I don't know why. Okay, so the reflection was pretty good. Here it did it. So here it predicts. Why is it predicting up? Oh wait, am I using round? I'm using round. I need to floor it instead. Haskell floor. There's floor somewhere. There's so yeah, I'm using round, and here I'm so used to using round when I actually should be using floor in here, which is important. It's negative though. Oh my god, it's like it like. Okay, this seems perfect. Okay, this seems pretty good. Okay, this was pretty much perfect. This seems not perfect, but not bad. This seems right. About right again. Why is it like hitting on the first quarter? Well, I think I know why. Because I'm doing Y instead of X. Where is it? Where is it? Here, so I'm vector to X. Yeah, I should be using Y here. That's it. So it should be predicting where the ball is gonna go. Pretty simple mess, but I really like those things sometimes in games. I think I did even worse than it was flying originally. Okay, I need to fix this. Okay, it's going really good. Oh my god, so bad at this. No, let's mess it up. Let's mess this bot up. Okay, so this isn't gonna mess it up. Oh my god, why? Oh my god, I'm so bad. I can't even test my own boat. Okay, I want to reflect it from the bottom to see that reflections work. Well, by reflect I mean obviously that you get what I mean. Whoever's watching this, I'm not talking to myself, I'm talking to YouTube. Obviously. It's like an excuse for talking on stream. Oh my god, I'm so bad. Oh my god. that's cringe. This was well, not, this was embarrassing. Can I do this? No. I can't. I'm so bad. I can't even test my creation because I can't get the ball to go as fast. Oh, come on. Okay, it can't reflect once. It did, but I don't know how much. Okay, so this should be messed up. No, it's not. Huh? Okay, the bots should not be able to miss a single one. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Let's see if it seems to actually work. Which is what? Which is weird. I mean, I can't really get more than one shot, honestly. More than one reflection. Oh, I know why it works. It's because floor. Okay, I need to get more than one reflection. Let me make the ball slower, horizontally. So where is this X? Let me just multiply this by 0.1. Well, 0.1 is too small. Honestly, 0.5. Okay. Okay, so it is really 0.1. Well, it's 0.5 of vertical speed. Okay, can it reflect twice? It did. Ooh, nice. So it is possible. It is possible to test the bot. That's what I'm saying basically. Let's make it even slower so I can get the ball to collide with sides more. This is gonna be pretty much natural at this point. No, it's not. Oh, come on. How can I only get one reflection? Oh, I know why. Oh my god, I know why. Okay, then let's just... Oh wait, I didn't have to restart, honestly. Okay, we'll see here. Here it's... It changed its position a little bit. I guess it's just precision, rounding errors or something. Let's just put it all... Okay, I'm gonna miss this ball. I need to miss all of them, or else I can't really test it. Let's again. Okay, so it did reflect twice. Okay, here we can actually test it. The bot is not really moving from this point, and it works pretty much flawlessly. Let's undo that. Let's fix that. Okay, so this is the goal. Okay. So let's now target equals case AI of case of something or something. Okay. So this is gonna be in, hold on. Oh, frames dropped. Came back. And yeah, dropped frames to network there were some 7%, which is quite terrible. Anyway, so simple is gonna be back to Y ball target to Y. Okay, do we put commas? No. Then we're gonna have pred b ball cross Y, and crazy also gonna be this for now at least. We're gonna do something special for crazy. Unexpected do block. I don't get it. It's case off. Or is it like, is it indent? If it's indent, it's just nope. It's in. Come on. This is like so crazy. Like three levels of indentation. No, 4 levels of indentation is just different. Cross with 2 R's. Wait, with 2 S's. Okay, our good old simple is here. Predictor. This is just this is gonna be crazy. So good. It's just, it goes like to the top right, to the parking corner. Like it knows where the ball is gonna go. So it's pretty much impossible to outplay it. Except like I actually don't know. Maybe crazy fast balls? Making the ball crazy fast? Oh, I know what we can do, you know? I know what we can speed up the ball. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this. With each collision with the paddle. I know it's gonna get impossible soon. Wow. Predict is pred is pretty much impossible to outplay at this point. So first of all, I wanted to fix the sparking, because it's like cringe. Kind of. So if ball cross Y is less than 0, then be to Y, else subtract. Well, actually, I'm gonna leave the negation, the negative here. So if target is less than 0, then 0, else this. So that's what I'm gonna do to fix the parking issue. Okay, let's switch to pred. Ooh. It just knows where the ball is gonna go. This is just crazy. Yeah, it's hard. Yeah. That's kind of cool. I like the game. I can't. That's just. It was not possible. Oh, this was embarrassing. Could have used break if it was implemented. If it didn't discard it. Oh my god, that's actually bad. I'm actually so bad at this. Oh my god. Okay, no parking, that's nice. It pretty much works. So I want to get the ball to speed up. For example, in this situation, it's gonna go crazy. It's gonna go insane. Well, not gonna. It should right now. Well, it is gonna go in such situations after the speed up. I mean. Anyway, enough English. Enough English for me. So this is boulder to x negative. This. Hold on. Does the negative mean I? Does the negative mean I can do this? Because that's interesting. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, it seems to work, which is interesting. I just can't get enough playtesting. Okay. So here now, each collision, we're gonna multiply this by 1.1. Well, actually, I don't even need parentheses. Wait, no, I do need parentheses in here. Hold on, I'm gonna wrap this whole thing in parentheses. So this is gonna be negative 1.1. Well, actually, I'm gonna call it ball bounce key. Oh, Ed has started. And sadly, on an interesting part. But I mean, no one's watching anyway. Ball bounce key. Let ball bounce key is negative 1.1. No semicolons. Well, actually, it's 2.3. 1.3. Okay, it should work, and we're on the edge. So sad. So bad. Okay, here. It goes faster and faster. Oh my god. And it went past me. You can't just accelerate it forever. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna leave it. Okay, so this is simple. If I can get it to be... Hi. Yes. Okay, can I beat the spread with this? I don't know. This will require quite some acceleration. Ugh, I can't do it myself. That's like hard. I don't know. It's not possible. It's just not possible. I mean, if there were no accelerations, maybe. I mean, it is possible, but it's incredibly hard. Maybe I should like make acceleration. Well, no, not acceleration. The bounce like impact slower. Wow, it gets really fast. This is like kind of I did it. I actually did it. What? I did it once. I don't know how. I guess it's a bounce. Oh my god, and I'm losing to it like 5-1 or 12-1 or something. But still, that's hard. I need to do this, and the faster the ball goes, the harder it is to do. Oh my god. Oh no. But that's cool though. I should probably make it like smaller than 1 point something. I also want to get this to work on web. Okay, guess let's do crazy one and do it for web. I don't know. Okay, let's do 1.1. Is it noticeable? It should be noticeable. noticeable. And I also need to do score, because I mean I can't put it off. I should do score. It goes faster, and oh my god, that was a loser move, honestly. Oh, it lost to its. Oh wait, it's simple. I need to switch to pred. Oh my god, this was embarrassing. But like beating it even once, getting one shot with it is already very hard. And should be like, this is hard. If you don't understand, this is hard. I did it! Yes! It looked so beautiful, so clean. Did the ball just bounce twice of this thing? Okay, moved it. Hey, it was too far. This game is addicting. Honestly, kinda. I want to get it on Wasm. Also kinda wanna capture. I also kinda want captures. But captures are kinda cheating. Oh my god, I lost so many balls to it. It is beatable. Because when it goes fast, it gets hard for the AI opponent. Okay, this is addicting. One more. Okay, enough. Let's do crazy one. Crazy one is not much different, except one thing. So I want to... Where is it? Where am I doing this? Here. So I have ball cross Y and I need to X distance. To provide X distance or something. Let's just do cross T, which is gonna be in this comma can I do this? Ball cross T. So for this I need X distance over boulder. So I guess I'll just need to tune this value up properly. I'm not gonna do any scientific stuff in here. I'm just gonna do if ball cross T. So we have time. This time is frame rate independent and ball speed independent, which is not what I want. So I guess I just divide this by ball speed, or actually, yeah, divided by ball speed. Where's the ball? Here I'm doing ball speed and boulder, multiply it and add it. So I divide by them. Okay. So here I just do if ball cross T is less than, like, I don't know, what is 1 second, then else. Well, I actually, do I want to divide it by the speed? Yeah, I do. So it's all fine. Else, -1. Like that. I don't know if it's gonna work. Okay, so comma, parser on input comma. Else -1. Yeah, easy to fix. another negative one somewhere. Oh wait, don't think it's complaining about this. What's this for num float? Oh wait, it is complaining about. Okay, so the time I'm gonna put another negative one here. Just that's it. Compiling. Okay, so crazy is insane. It's too late. You don't have 1 second. I don't get it. It's like, it's not 1, it's 0. Huh? X distance we divided by ball speed and then divided. Oh, okay, let's do print ball cross t. Okay, this does not look like seconds, honestly. I'm dividing it by delta time as well, which is kind of weird, honestly. So maybe I shouldn't. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't, honestly. Just removing. Remove the delta time, cancel it out. Oh, it doesn't have enough time to stabilize. That's just embarrassing. It overshoots so badly. Oh my god. That's why it is crazy. It is crazy because it's still moving while trying to catch the paddle. Well, not the paddle, the ball, actually. So I probably need to actually take into account how much time it's gonna take this thing to get there. Let's where is it? Let's actually use it. Let's compute how much time it's gonna take the paddle to get there, which should theoretically. Okay, let's ignore accelerations. I mean, can I really do that? I guess I can. Let's do paddle AI speed. So we have speed. We need we have distance and speed. We need to. Okay, it is multiplied by delta time. I don't know about this. Because we should be pre-multiplying by delta time when multiplying by the thing. Paddles. Okay, so here we're doing the blend and pedal bounce on V. Okay, so it's in bounce. Plus V. Okay, let's do let in. Let me oh my god. I did this with to vector twice. That's okay. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I guess we'll find out. So I wanted to remove delta time from here, and then so here I'm checking against AI speed. What I actually need to do is, so how do we get this? How do we get time? Time we get by dividing distance by speed. Yeah, seems right. Ball cross y, subtract p to y, subtract vector to y paddle size over 2. I need absolute value of this. Actually, what I need to do is this probably. Dollar. Well, actually, I could still do this and divide this by speed. Okay, this should work theoretically, but I probably broke a lot of stuff with times. So let's play through it all. Yeah, I did. Why is it so slow now? The simple now is bad. On the player's side, it's all fine, but on the simple one, even the simple AI is terrible at this. And prediction AI can't even get to the ball, which is weird. I mean, this time it got it. So on my shots, on my shots it's fine, but on its shots it's terrible. That's unfair, gods of Haskell. You're playing against the rules here. Okay, so something's up with accelerating it apparently. So we're clamping it to paddle's AI speed. We're getting the delta. Yeah, alright, no. It's not getting there in time, what? It's decelerating too quickly. How do I fix it? So I have distance. Should I disable acceleration for the crazy pred and crazy? I mean, for crazy I need accelerations, but for pred, well, actually I'm gonna leave them for all of those. I don't know why it's so bad. Apparently. AI speed, let's make it just the same as normal speed. Wow, I felt like screen changed. No, it's not that bad, come on. I've just changed how the speed is interpreted. Just multiplying by delta time in a different place. So I have the difference. Maybe I should. I don't know if I should divide it by delta time or. I guess I should divide it by delta time, honestly. Divide the delta time dollar in here. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's much better. But that's still kind of weird. It's kind of bad. At the same time, the fact that it moves so much helps with keeping the ball moving in a different direction. Okay, let me beat it. I did it. Yay. Let's switch to pred. And let me at least try to hit one ball. Cause that's like embarrassing. Yay. I'm getting the hang of it. And now I know pretty much when I need to start accelerating to hit the ball. Well, while I was saying that I missed 3 shots. It's crazy. It's gonna be hard. Ah, I missed it. And this again. Okay, it's gonna be hard to beat this one, but I wanna beat it and switch to crazy. Originally, I thought about crazy being here to completely predict the player's movement. Well, no, not. I mean, actually, completely predict both the ball and player movement. Not only ball's movement. But no, that's gonna be too hard. That's gonna be a topic for another time. Maybe. I'm not gonna do that probably. Okay, can move it a little. Hey, it's hard. It's getting harder and harder as the ball speeds up. Wow, it computed it perfectly. Hey, yeah, I stopped there to decelerate. No. Okay, I hate when this happens. Now I need to get ball out of the situation. Yeah. Oh my god, I need to keep accelerating. So wait tactic is much better. It's still not 100% though. Oh wow, how it overshoot. Oh my god, that's so bad. That's so bad. That's so bad. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, why? It is possible to beat, I'm pretty sure. Possible but hard. Yeah. I wanna build this for Wasm. So people can play and I can get what is it called? Like comments on this. Basically is what I want. So I need to speed up the ball quite a bit before I can actually get the shot. But the more I speed up the ball, the harder it gets for me to hit it. Yeah. 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 Oh my god, I couldn't do this. It's such a crazy move. Especially to attempt at such high speeds. It's getting harder and harder. Okay, here I missed the ball because it was too fast, because it accelerates with each hit, and I just talked and missed the ball, and I missed it again because I don't know why. I got used to high speeds and now I'm not used to slow speeds, I guess. Come on. Pressing it too early. Now too late. No, too late. Good now. Yeah. Okay, this one's hard, but I think it's it. Nope. That's not. I don't know if it's possible. I need to. Oh, I pressed escape. I need to get it because then, unless I get it, I can't be sure that it's possible. That it's still possible to beat the pred, and it probably is. Well, maybe it's not actually. Who knows? It was so. It looked so close. Come on. I missed it. It's so hard. I don't know. I actually don't know. It's like staying in the center and not moving to get the ball. That's like unfair. It's not really possible for me to beat it this way, unless like it moves. And it only moves if the ball is going like different direction. And the further the better, basically. That's why I'm trying to achieve maximum vertical velocity. Oh no. Should I full screen it? Is it gonna break if I full screen it? Can I even do that? Oh, I can't. Never mind. I tried to maneuver again. Tried the crazy move again. Obviously didn't work because smooth doesn't really work on high speeds. I mean, like accelerate. That's so hard. You can't even imagine how hard it is. Because we have accelerations in this pong game. It become actually trying to design a great pong game. So I needed to still bounce while the ball's moving. Okay, it might not be... yeah, if ball goes too fast, it just skips through the panel. That's why you should have a bit of frames per second. Even though I have frame time independency, I still have problems with it. It gets harder and harder. Come on, this should have been the one. No. Okay, this is my new favorite game. Surpassing even plushie basketball. Don't worry, it's gonna be back with some cool features and stuff. Just I'm just sitting here playing pong. Okay, I don't know if it's possible to beat it. I've been playing this for long. I don't know if my chat is just boring. Add notifications only. This is like actually difficult. Ooh, Freedom's life in 30 minutes. I'm gonna spend that 30 minutes just trying to outplay this dude. Okay, I'm gonna take one, and then this time, you see, that's so hard to get it out of this corner. I moved past it. Oh my god. I need a gamepad controller, gamepad support for, or a mouse. Actually, a mouse would be interesting, but the mouse would be cheating, honestly. Couldn't do it. Just gonna do horizontal. Okay, don't know if it's possible. It should be possible. It feels like it's possible, but I'm just so close every time. Need to tune it maybe. I don't know how to tune it. Still, this one is the hardest of all three. Because it has time to settle. Crazy is gonna be easier because it doesn't have time to settle. Which makes it crazy. Yeah, it makes it harder for player to hit the reflections, but still it makes it makes it easier to do shots. Well, by do shots I mean getting it. Come on. Wow, this was close. You don't have that much time, dude. See, it can't even get its own those. It's its own those. What did I say? Okay, let's just add. So I have, where is it? I have some time in here. Let's just add half a second for it to accelerate. I don't know how much time it takes to accelerate. Well, okay, let's I'm not gonna go into full mass. I'm gonna give it some more time. So how much time does it take to accelerate? I don't care. I'm gonna add it at half a second because those accelerations are just wild. I mean, mass behind them is wild. Wow, that's far. That's way too far. I mean the time. It goes immediately. No way it's half a second is that much. Let's add tenths of a second. It's still too fast. It's like no time at all. It immediately does this. That's unfair. I don't get it. We put 0.01 in here. Oh, I missed the ball. Okay, I didn't miss this one. That's something wrong. Something's wrong. It was not supposed to be like that. If I remove this, oh my god, I see. Okay, this makes much sense, a lot of sense actually. I mean, I need crazy. Okay, it doesn't get there in time because of this bounciness, which makes it easier. You just need to be a good player to outplay it, which I am. And oh my god, I'm losing to it. Come on. It sometimes misses its own shots by its own, I mean, goes from the center. Okay, see, it's easy to outplay it, because it's just bad. If I don't miss the ball, then it's easy to outplay it. And I'm so bad at this. Okay, it missed, I mean. Maybe I should give it some more time to settle. I mean, it's not bad, it depends on the distance. Okay. That's like something. Okay, I'm gonna keep this version in mind, but instead I guess I should make it depend on distance, which means I multiply this by 1.1 or something. And I guess this is still gonna lose shots. Yeah, this loses a lot of shots because 1.1 is this 0.1 is not enough. Hold on. So this is basically the delta. Let's make distance. So I have distance multiplied by something at distance multiplied by something. Oh, I know what I should do. Okay, so it's crazy. That's crazy. I should do 1 over this at 0.4. That's how it should be. That's off. That's off. Oh my god, I missed it. Okay, let's go. It at least doesn't miss the simple shots. Like edge shots are just cheating for the AI. Well, for me as well, honestly. Well, for me they're so bad because I can't get out of them. But it's easy to catch. Oh, come on. Okay, come on. Okay, that's too much time. True. I should do 0.1. Probably even smaller. So it's tenths of a second every. Oh no, that's off. Simple. Yes. Hold on. So this is what. Yeah, I should divide it by speed. Yeah, I should move this multiplication here. So this is because speed. Well, speed doesn't include delta time, which means yeah, that's right. 0.5, 1.5. Let's give it some time, quite some time. Okay, that's actually like hard for the player, because that's an attack, and it gets okay. This feels like tuned well, too well perhaps. This actually feels like tuned too well. If it gets every single shot, because it goes at exactly the right time, and it is on full speed when it reaches this point, which is something I was going for. And this was occasional. Oh come on, 2 times in a row. That's something off. Yeah, it is easier to outplay this. Maybe I should give it a little bit more time. But this was pretty good. So like those simple ones it misses due to lack of time and deceleration. It doesn't accelerate enough. And I mean I could store states even more, but I'm not gonna do that. Instead, well actually, oh, I have an idea. What if I target point that's a reflection, which means okay, so yes, this is a good idea, I think. Well, it is a crazy idea, honestly. Acceleration time, yeah, I should be. Well, yeah, that's a simple fix. Okay, so I can try doing min bound twice. Min bound here, min bound here, and then target is equals to min bound, and then here I do so I divide by speed, etc. So here I am. Here I do. So what I need to do is this subtract p1y or p2y subtract this. This is gonna turn into add, so that I need to multiply by 2 basically. I'm gonna leave it this way. It makes more sense to me. And this doesn't work. No, it's bounded float. Haskell nan, not a number. Nan is nan a bool a. There's is nan method, and I can use nans, I guess, here. Nan, and I can do is nan. Then 0. Okay, so it's gonna be none, and this is gonna be. I don't know if it's gonna be none though. Actually, create constructor not in scope, none. T nan, I nan. Is nan a bool? Okay, let's go to source again. Is nan there is a nan. I need to construct nan. Need to make nan. Oh, I can divide 0 by. That's a cheating. That's like straight up cheating. Someone's gonna open the source code and like, what is the what is what is the person wrote this code doing? Like that's okay. This is actually bad. Okay, it is going up, which is not nice. Too late? What? How can it be too late? Let's go to bread. Okay, it stops. Okay, that seems right. So first of all, crazy is crazy. Second of all, it's not really working. And okay, so here, first of all, it sparks. Second of all, it doesn't really target the place where it should target. Or does it? The point for it is being. I think I saw it slow down, which it should not do at all. I think it's still not enough time to accelerate and stuff sometimes. Which kind of makes it possible to beat, which is kind of intended, honestly. Oh my god. Okay, so we could... First of all, I need to remove fixed nans. Oh wait. Nan. Why did they do -1 in here? Oh wait, why did they do nan in here? I mean, I just didn't notice first. I should have done 0/0. Yeah, the people who are gonna read this code are gonna be mad. Absolutely mad. Okay, let's go to crazy. And crazy fails its first shot. Maybe that's because I switched inside of the during the shot. Okay, this is gonna be actually crazy. It is kinda predictable, surprisingly. And capturing the ball is kinda the wave here. Like, yeah, for predictions, there's actually no point in getting crazy shots. Capturing the ball is the way. By capturing, I mean just directing it somewhere. Especially crazy. Like, for crazy... Yeah, bread is normally moving the ball straight. But crazy throws it away from itself as far as possible. Which is exactly what I need. So I can just throw it right to the right, straight, and it might be nice. It might be easy to beat, which means I just need to stay in the right position, and I can't even do that. Oh my god, I'm so bad at it. Like, without dynamically adjusting, it's hard. Did it teleport? Or am I crazy? Maybe I'm going insane. I'm going insane, actually. By the way, Freedom's gonna be live in 10 minutes, right? Freedom? Are you here? Nah. Yeah, I'm crazy, obviously. As crazy as this. Yeah. Okay, that's actually a bad joke. Too bad of a joke. It missed. Yay. Okay, let's do 1.8. Which is too much, honestly, for me. Seems for me too much. It's because it is gonna start bouncing or something. Which is bad. Or should I remove this additional time completely with the target multiplied by 2? Oh no, I need time for it to accelerate, which takes some time. Okay, I might need to actually calculate accelerations. And, well, I don't want to do that. The thing is, like, in order to predict it perfectly, I need to calculate the acceleration. So, like, where the ball is, so depending on where the ball is, where the ball is gonna hit, actually. Because if it's so close, we're not gonna accelerate to the full speed, and that impacts acceleration times. Oh my god, this was such an embarrassing lose. Shot. Oh my god, what was that? What is that? Oh no. Oh no, I did it too early. It's pretty much impossible to do too late or in time. Yeah, actually, it's easy to do too late. It's impossible to do in time. Yeah. Actually, yeah, pressing would be harder. I mean, easier. What do you mean by pressing? Doesn't really matter. Ah, come on, I'm so bad at this. Why? Why? crazy. Okay, it is possible to beat, though I know that for sure. It's pretty hard, but possible. I don't know about Pred, if it's possible to beat it. Yeah, I did this not on purpose, sadly. Yeah, here, I did it. You need to aim as close to it as possible. Or as far as possible. Well, only if you're close enough, acceleration calculations are gonna be off, and then you're gonna beat it. Okay, so last thing, let's do git command for today. More AIs is wasm, which I don't know. Like I don't know if I can. Cool. 22% by the way. 18k. Ooh. So Nigel did contribute to it, I see. The whole 2k. Okay, so hrayleap GitHub. So there is web. Building for web. Where was building for web? Constraint. Flags supported. I need for web. Is there wiki? There's no wiki. hrayleap NetPy hrayleap hrayleap web. Okay, maybe it's in the repository. Examples. I need to build it for web. How can I do that? I think like there, if I remember correctly, there was. Oh, here it is. Dime dependency injection made easy. This was another repository of this guy. JHC's WebAssembly build capabilities in a simple application to demonstrate how to call Haskell from JavaScript and vice versa. The application also uses hrayleap. Okay, so let's next shell this, I guess, inside of our shell. Well, hrayleap C code for assembly and Linux flake with GHC to wasm compiler available. Run build Haskell file. Start the front-end server. Change to the TypeScript code. Oh, sorry, hit the microphone again. Automatically refresh. Tutorial for compiling hrayleap. Oh, that's recent. That's for C. Okay, so we have build hrayleap. EMCC, EMIR, AR. I had mscript and built somewhere. Don't remember where though. Let's see, languages, I guess. ZC. Why did I use ls not xa? ZMSDK xa. So here we have I don't remember how to use MSDK. MSDK. Freedom should be live in 3 minutes. And that's how it goes every stream. Counting seconds. MSDK, so I need a wiki. I need wiki about how to use it. Download and install, because I forgot. I need to source some file here. Okay, so it's MSDK install, activate, source. Yeah, source emsdk env. Okay, that's a path. I'll need to source here. But this takes a while to build. Okay, so here we have emcc emir as always. Then we do. Okay, so we just build raylib basically. Then we compile bindings. cbits. Huh. To raylib.js. Oh my god. That's something. So we have cbits in here. Earl bindings. Wow. That's something. Freedom's life, yay. Next TypeScript till. Oh, why is it in TypeScript? Where is the Haskell code? Where is the Haskell part? Oh, here it is, I guess. Oh my god, more cbits. Come on. Ad breaks coming. I guess we're not doing raylib today. Module raylib where? Oh my god, no. Okay, there should be a way to build for web. Well, not finalized. Does it mean that it's possible? Or at least to cross-compile for Windows. I want it to be possible. Cosmic's life. That's interesting. Okay, so how do I fix it? Next, I may need to run this. Install X11. Hasn't yet been tested on other platforms. Android, Raspberry Pi, and DRM, all of which have not been implemented in raylib. Anybody willing? Hi, Thinkulum. You're pretty late, because we're probably gonna raid in a minute. hraylib, yeah, hraylib. What do you mean? What will I do with that? What you mean? What did I do with that? That's what I did with it. What we did with it over the course of past like 2 streams or 3. We've used hraylib to build this pong game. We have 3 AIs. Yeah. The problem is I kind of wanna make it compile for web, and I don't think it's possible. And also this pred AI, if we can say that. When I say AI, I mean game AI or something. It's pretty much impossible. Yeah, Haskell could be used for making games. So the spread AI is pretty much impossible to beat. I don't know if it's possible. I did it once, but then I changed something and now I don't know if it's possible. I know for sure that third type, which is crazy, is possible to beat. Which is not as crazy as spread is. Uh, yeah. So we're probably gonna be ending the snake Haskell. Oh wait, snake. Why am I saying snake all the time? Here. We're probably gonna be finishing with Pong soon, with Haskell Pong soon. So this is already on GitHub. So in case you want, you wanna try, if in case you want to try it, you can, you can, you can try to build it. How much streams did it take me to set up cable, Nix, and Raylib to work together? Way too much time. Who adds? Ah, should have snoozed that. So sad I didn't. Can I stop the ad? No, I don't think. Snooze. Ad starts in 59 minutes. Hold on, ads is going. No, ad manager. This. Let's wait to run another what? It should be going right now. Huh? Okay, guess we're gonna wait for ad to finish. And in the meantime, so there's no web support. I don't know if it can be built for cross-compiled for Windows. I mean, I am using Nix, but problem is, I'm not using Haskell.nix or something like that, so it's hard to cross-compile it. Well, hard. I don't know how. I don't even know if it's possible. So yeah, let's play it against the hardest one, the pred, which stands for prediction or predictor. Ads are still playing. I'm just gonna wait for ads to finish. The ad is done, yay! So yeah, I think we're gonna be finishing the Pong game. Maybe next stream we're gonna finish it, because there seems to be no way to compile it for web nor cross-compiling it to Windows. Well, unless I decide to use Haskell.nix. And this means more hours spent. Oh my god, it's so bad. So yeah, more hours spent on configuring that, and I don't wanna do this. So I guess this game is gonna stay not web, not for web. local only. Come on. So bad. Okay, so yeah, I didn't beat this once, this thing. And I don't know if it's possible. So yeah, link to GitHub is in chat, and I guess I'm gonna raid. I wanna play this so much. This is fun. So yeah, really doesn't really support web. It's all pushed. Working pretty clean. And yeah, looking forward to next time when we finish it at this course, I guess. I don't know what else we add. And yeah, we're probably gonna work on overlay quite a bit. Do we rate Cuban? He's doing Haskell. 83 viewers, that's crazy. I still wanna search on Twitch. Though I need like a shortcut. Maybe not for Haskell, but for compiler search on Twitch. Yeah, Cuban is here. Compiler. And by the way, Cuban should also. Oh no. Zig open source design. Yeah, I saw that. Okay, so we're raiding QA man, I guess. He's also doing Haskell. Should probably also open this in the new page, new tab. QA
and I think it's not even like the exception. I think Twitch
This
just stops sending me messages sometimes. That has been an issue for a long time, but I have not looked into it. Something about like me not sending ping maybe, which is not an exception. Anyway. But I'm not sure if it's me not sending ping in
he seems like Cuman's still alive. Yeah. We're gonna read them.
Factful DH.
Knock knock.
Generating bits of effects related to boilerplate via template Haskell.
So yeah. Thanks everyone for joining. Nigel's not here anymore. Sinculum. We're gonna probably stream tomorrow, starting at about the same time. So yeah, goodbye everyone. Goodbye YouTube and whoever's watching the VOD.
Perform primitive state transformer actions. I don't know what that means. Provider non-deterministic labeled fail. So fail is the replacement for exceptions. Provide the ability to use the monad fail instance for f. Data fail string, but this does not allow me to have a custom failure, right? Why is this not generic? I think this should have been generic thing, so that I can have my own custom error types. But this only is doing it with strings. But okay. Encoder also rated, nice. Were you doing Haskell? Dynamic. So I don't see the IO stuff. Like for example, how do I log, right? How do I log in this effectful library? Summary, effectful, like unlift IO package. So the effectful package re-exports public modules and effectful core, and additionally provides most features of the unlift IO. So unlift IO is like the thing that I need, right? Which gives me the IO ref, it gives me the file. But working with the effectful, I'm assuming. So over here, effectful